हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू करंट अफेयर्स टुडे। तो इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे क्विज जो है जून मंथ की 2021 और ये है आपका सेट 1। तो सेम उसी तरह से इसमें भी करीब 10 से 12 सेट्स रहेंगे आपके लिए और हर एक सेट में 30+ क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे। 30+। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। गोवा observed its statehood day on which date? Who has won the gold medal in 75 kg women's category at Asian Boxing Championship which was held in Dubai? Who has won the men's single title at Belgrade Open? Which team has won UEFA Champions League title 2021? The National Artificial Intelligence Portal observed its first anniversary on May 28, 2021. The portal is an initiative of which ministry? चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं आंसर्स। गोवा ऑब्जर्व इट्स स्टेटहुड डे ऑन 30th of May. 30th of May. Who has won the gold medal in women's category? पूजा रानी in 75 kg kilo category. Who has won the men's single title at Belgrade Open? Novak Djokovic. Which team has won UEFA? Chelsea team has won the championship. This is Electronics and IT Minister has launched this portal. And who is the present minister? Ashwini Vaishnaw. Which state has launched the solar-based electrification program for rural households in the state? Name the Indian American who has been nominated by Joe Biden's DG, Director General of United States and Foreign Commercial Service. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana for children who have lost either one or both parents due to COVID? NASA's Curiosity rover has captured the images of shining clouds on which planet? Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Achoni scheme? चलिए आंसर्स डिस्कस करते हैं। विच स्टेट हैज लॉन्च सोलर बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम? दिस इज गोवा। नेम द इंडियन अमेरिकन? अरुण वेंकटरमन इज दिस पर्सन। मुख्यमंत्री बाल सेवा योजना उत्तर प्रदेश, योगी सरकार। नासा's क्यूरियोसिटी रोवर हैज कैप्चर्ड द इमेजेस ऑफ मार्स, प्लैनेट मार्स। मुख्यमंत्री शिशु सेवा अचौनी स्कीम, आसाम। Who has won the gold medal in men's 91 kg category at Asian Boxing Championship in Dubai? The COVID variant first identified in India, technically known as B16172, will now be known as which name as per WHO system? Who has become the new chairperson of National Human Rights Commission? B. Sham has been appointed as next ambassador to which country? Who has been appointed as the new chief advisory to the chief minister Mamata Banerjee? चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। Who has won the gold medal? Sanjeet in men's category, 91 kilo category, and in women Pooja Rani, just we have discussed Pooja Rani. This is Delta. Another name is Delta. Who has become the chairperson of NHRC? Arun Kumar Mishra. B. Sham is India's next High Commissioner to Iceland, and the name is Chief Advisor to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Alpam Bandyopadhyay. Bandyopadhyay, Alpam Bandyopadhyay. And who is the Supratim Bandyopadhyay? Supratim Bandyopadhyay is the chairman for PFRDA. Remember this also. PFRDA, which regulates pension of our India. WHO Director General Special Award for the year 2021 has given to whom? Which space agency will send 28 squads and some 500 water bears to the International Space Station for research purpose? World's first nano urea liquid is introduced for the farmers across the world by which organization? The remaining matches of IPL will be held in which country? PSB, Public Sector Banks, has announced to provide unsecured loans of up to how much amount to individual for COVID-19 treatments? So let's discuss. WHO Director General Special Award has been given to Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan. This is NASA. World's first nano urea liquid introduced by IFFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperatives. The remaining matches of IPL will be played in Dubai, which is in UAE. Public Sector Banks has announced 5 lakh rupees for the treatment of COVID-19. Union government, under whose chairmanship has constituted a panel examine the goods and service tax exemption on COVID materials. Which country has ended two-child policy and allowed all the married couples to have 3 children? Which state has launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana? Bannerghatta National Park is in which state? Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind jointly won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021 for their which book? So GST chairman, to panel the examine of GST exemption is Conrad Sangma. The head is Conrad Sangma, who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. China has ended two-child policy. Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana, Rajasthan. Ashok Gehlot is the Chief Minister. Ashok Gehlot. Bannerghatta, Karnataka. Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind has won the International Business Book Award for their book Transforming something book is there, and the book name is Transforming Times of Crisis. Something book is there. Okay. Who has become the new DG of Assam Rifles? Where is the headquarters of Research, Design and Standard Organization, which is located in which city? Who has been appointed as the President of CII, Confederation of Indian Industries? Which government has signed a MOU with and on sustainable urban development between India and which country? CSIR, National Chemical Laboratory Pune, has developed which technique to disinfect water by using natural oil? Okay, so let's discuss. So the book is Transformation in Times of Crisis. Okay, this is correct only. So we will discuss the answers. Who has become the DG of Assam Rifles? From Pradeep Chandra Nair. And the headquarters of RDSO, which is located in Lucknow, which is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Confederation of Indian Industries, TV Narendran. India has signed MOU with Japan for sustainable urban development. It's CSIR has developed स्वास्तिक। तो ये था हमारा सेट 1 जून 2021। तो मिलते हैं सेट